You're going to love the 2013 Toyota Prius C. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Toyota paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: a rear window wiper, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.